So in this video here we are here to discuss some formal sentences. So today we will be discussing about some formal sentences that can be used if you can use it for your speech, and as well as while you are writing an email or you are going to write an essay, it can be used. So it is that first sentence we will read it as at your earliest convenience. This is showing that as soon as possible. So you can, if you, this means that as soon as possible you can. So this can be used in a places that at your earliest convenience, you'll make sure that you give me the project. So as soon as possible for you. So how much soon you can do it, you can do it for me. So the next sentence is it is necessary for me to. So I am giving an example for this sentence. It is necessary for me to know the issues of this project. So it is we needed to know, and it is very important for us to know to take the further steps. So you can use it in your writing that it is necessary for me to do this project. So you need to do this project for your own self, and it is needed for some particular reasons regarding you. So it is necessary for you to develop yourself. So in that cases, that is the thing which is very important to make out. You can use those sentences. The next is the plan was implemented. So it was something that has been taken down. So the thing which was corrected and which was done perfectly. So the plan was implemented. Here we can tell that the plan was implemented by the officer. So the plan has come into existence, that is it is now followed by which was given by the officer. So we can use it that make sure that you implement this on time. So something has to be implemented, that there's something has to be come into regular practice, and some is taken into practice. In some cases we can use these sentences. So this demonstrates. So you can use this explains. So at that place, this demonstrates the lesson endocrine system. So like that, look, this demonstrates the real talent of your own self. So it is a very formal word that can be used. So this demonstrates. The next is I would really appreciate it if you could. So telling someone that you have to do, and you're telling that if you do it would be better. So I'm happy if you are going to do this. So feeling someone is if someone is going to do something, and if you feel it's okay, you are appreciating it, and you are with your own full heart, and you are appreciating, then you can use I would really appreciate it if you could. So for example, we can tell I would really appreciate if you could draw a picture beautifully. That is someone we are just motivating, that is you are telling that I'll really appreciate if you are going to do this. So appreciation, a word of appreciation can also be used in this, or motivating someone, or making sure that one is going to do that work. So at these statements you can use. So once again I am revising these 5 sentences. At your earliest convenience, it is necessary for me to. The plan was implemented. This demonstrates. I would really appreciate it if you could. So we will deal with the next sentences. That is, I assure that I will resolve the issue. So here we have already dealt with the word I swear. So here you are giving an acknowledgement. So I assure that I will resolve. So giving an acknowledgement or giving a confidential word that I will resolve the issue, or I will solve the issue. So here there is an issue and you are going to solve the complete problem, then you are using the word resolve. So I assure, that is you are giving the full confidential support that I assure you can trust me completely, and you are going to do that. So make sure for this, make sure that you use it in a very right place. So you can tell that I'll resolve the issue created by my own self. So you are going to correct the mistake which has been done by yourself. I assure I can do this. So you are telling that you are going to do this and you can do this. So the next sentence is in addition, please provide us. So you are asking something is given to you by someone else, at the same time you are asking something in addition from them. That is they are giving you a catalog. So in addition you are asking, can you give me some more products, or some more samples of your products. So yeah, you can tell it as I have maths homework, in addition to that I have science homework also. So you have maths, so in addition to that, so something extra which you have or which you are going to give in addition to that, so something extra with which what you have, so it can be placed at different uses. So next is I would like to discuss the project. So I would like to, so you are going to, that is your, we both can discuss. So coming into discussion here, it means that I would like to discuss, that is you wanted to discuss something and you are telling that we can discuss it now. So you can just, I would like to take a have a cup of tea. So here you are telling that you are preferring to the tea. So at that time you can, this places I would like to, so you can use it at any place you can need. So people consume a tremendous amount of, so here a huge amount. So tremendous is something that a huge amount. So this can be used, there is a tremendous amount of cases, there is a huge amount of cases, corona cases that is prevalent. So it can be used at different places, and this is a very casual word but a very standardized word. So tremendous amount of. The next is, if you require any further information, make sure that you contact me. So I have completed the sentence because that doesn't give a meaning when we complete or when we use it in a particular place. This is very useful. So if you require any, so if you need something, that if you require any further information, you can contact me immediately whenever you want. So you're telling that in a, so you know some information, and if you wanted to know any, that is if you wanted to get some additional information from them, then you can use this sentence. So once again I'm reading through the sentence. I assure that I'll resolve the issue. In addition, please provide us. I would like to discuss the project. Please consume a tremendous amount of, sorry, people consume a tremendous amount of. If you require any further information. And that's it. For the next video we'll get some with new, another standardized formal sentences with some new words, new vocabulary. Until then, thank you.